In this video, we are going to see how we can add new vendors and put their opening balances in Odoo. So here we have the vendor details. We have two vendors along with the opening balances. What we will do is from the top, we have the vendor section. From here, just click right at the bottom in the vendor section. So we don't have any vendor now. Just click on new. And these vendors are persons. So I'll just select person here. First one is Daniel. I'll keep the basic configuration and click on new. It will automatically be saved. Next one is Cyan. Click on person, paste the name and click save manually, and then click on the vendors from here, back to vendors. We have two vendors created right now, but to enter the opening balance, there is no direct option here to enter the balances. So instead what we'll do is we will pass a journal entry and we will enter this vendor's name so that it can automatically update the balances here. Just go to the accounting tab and click on journal entries. Click on new, and the reference I can just put vendor opening balances here. The accounting date should be 1st of January because this is the balance as an opening balance of 1st of January. Journal, we have a couple of options, but I'll just keep it to miscellaneous operations. And the entry should be accounts payable, should be credit. So I'll put accounts payable here. Just enter the partner name, that is Daniel, which we just created. And then again on the next line, let's add accounts payable, and the partner name is Cyan. And under the label, I'll just put vendor opening balances or balance. Just copy this label and paste it on the second line as well. And both of these balance, since this is a liability, goes under the credit section. I'll just put 50,000 here and 80,000 on the second line. Since journal entries are always checking itself for the balance, means debit and credit should both be balanced. So once you enter a particular balance, it will automatically show this screen right here, which shows invalid operation, but just close out of here because it's just showing the total debits and credits are not equal. Close. Put 80,000 here. And let's add a new line. And under here, we just put it to the adjustment account, which is this one. Just scroll all the way down to the bottom. And chart of accounts is 999, which is for undistributed profit and losses. Just post it here. So it will automatically be shown on the debit side. Debit and credits are now equal. Just click on post. And after that, just head over to the configuration and click on chart of accounts. We just want to make sure that accounts payable total balance is upgraded here. So locate accounts payable. It's right here. Just click on view next to it. And as we can see, the balance is now updated. If we go to the reporting and click on the partner ledger, we should see the updated balances for both of these vendors as well here. So this is one way of doing and entering all the vendor balances. The other method could be just go to the vendors and click on bills and just create a new bill, enter the vendor name, and we just enter journal items or kind of an invoice with the opening balance without using any kind of item. So that's another way, but I prefer to post it from journal entry, because regardless of how many vendors you have, you can enter it all in one journal entry. But in the bills, you need to enter each one of them separately. So it's your choice. You can do it this way here as well. But I'll just discard this. And this is how you can enter the vendors along with the balances in Odoo. Just try this by yourself, and I'll see you in the next one.